Hello everybody, welcome back to another couple days of What Sold.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so first thing just off the bat, got a new camera, so we're going to be tweaking some settings here and there, so things may look a little different. It's a more professional style camera, so this may take a couple days to get this right, but for now, it seems to be good. Everything seems to be working, so we are going to get into what sold. First thing up for today, March 11th, is this. This is a vintage 6-inch handmade crochet doily. We got this at the Goodwill bins about, I don't know, maybe a little over a month ago. And we paid $7 for the lot, and we've way into the pure profit on this. This one sold for $4 plus shipping. All right, next up is this. Cozy doorknob covers. These are fuzzy covers that go on your doorknobs. Yeah. They really did make that, and they were 97 cents. Or I'm sorry, yeah, 97 cents. Brand new. I don't know why you'd want something like this, but it's pretty awesome. Fuzzy doorknob covers are kind of cool, and I still don't know why you'd want it. So these sold for $10, free shipping. Next up, another book from the Retail Arbitrage. This is a graphic novel. This is X-Men: The Age of Apocalypse. This was, I think we got this for $4.99. A lot of these Marvel graphic novels, some of them are really valuable, some of them aren't. Some of them are kind of like this one where it's, you know, probably worth the money. This sold for $10 plus shipping. Our only pair of jeans today, and they're not even jeans. They are Levi's, though. They are Levi's. They just are kids' Levi's. So they're, you know, boys Levi's. We got these, I believe we got these at the West Virginia Goodwill bins. Yeah, I think that's where we got them, is the West Virginia Goodwill bins. These sold for $7 plus shipping. Next up is a pin. This is a, I don't know, I guess it's just a pin of a tiger. Put my hand behind it, see if I can get it to focus. There we go. It's just a tiger pin. This was on that hat that we got at that crazy estate sale last weekend. We've been selling off quite a bit of these pins. We love things like this because it's really easy to ship, really cheap to ship, and they make decent money. This pin sold for $5 plus shipping. Next up, a t-shirt that's been with us for a while, and it got a lot of views, and finally somebody bought it. This is a throwback Pittsburgh Steelers logo shirt. This was the old logo when, probably back in the 30s when the Steelers were founded. They printed a bunch of these shirts and they sold them all over the place, but we haven't seen them in a while, but we found this one brand new at a thrift store and we thought, oh, this will sell quickly, and it didn't. It stuck around for quite a while, but it finally sold. We never really adjusted the price either because we thought this will definitely sell. This sold for $15 plus shipping, or I'm sorry, $15 free shipping. And last for today is another one of our bolos from the last What Sold video that you guys saw yesterday. This is more of those great courses. This is the Great Courses, the High Middle Ages, 24 lectures, 4 DVDs. Sounds entertaining. Yeah, these are great. They've been selling like crazy. I think we only have about 6 left out of probably the 30 we had. Well, no, maybe more like 9. But still, they've been selling like crazy. We paid $100 for the whole box. We've definitely got our money back by now. This one sold for $16.50 plus shipping. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another day of solds. Last 2 days have kind of been a little slow for us. So it was nice, though. I got to go to an estate sale today. Didn't get it on film. I was really quick in and out. It would have been like a 6-minute video. So not even, maybe 4. So did get some good stuff. Show you that later. So yeah, we've had kind of a little bit of a slowdown the last couple days. Nothing too crazy, but just, normally our Fridays are a little better than this. We only have 6 items that we sold today. We'll get right into that. First thing on the list is this. More handmade doilies. This week has been the handmade doily week because we've sold a bunch of them. If you look at yesterday's what sold video, I think we sold 3, 4, and then sold one yesterday and then one today. So yeah, there's a run on handmade doilies. Who would have thought? Anyways, if you didn't hear the explanation from yesterday, we'll say it again. We did get this at the bins. We got a whole bunch of them at the bins. We probably paid $7 for the lot. Paid for it triple by now. So we're definitely in a way pure profit there. This set of doilies sold for $5 plus shipping. Next on the list is a ring. It's a men's ring. If I can get that to focus. There we go. Focused. It's a men's wedding ring. It is mostly stainless steel, and then there's a 14 karat gold band in the middle. Can we see that? Yeah, there we go. We don't typically deal a lot in jewelry unless we know, and this was given to us by a really good friend, and we do know the origins of this. We don't deal in jewelry for the obvious reasons. The main reason is because there's a lot of fake out there, and we don't want to be selling fake stuff. So we do know this is authentic. Now granted, the majority of this ring is stainless steel with a very, very small amount of gold in it. So it didn't sell for a lot of money. This sold for $11. Yep, $11 free shipping. Next up is a book. It is The Background for Tomorrow. It is an old textbook from 1969. So we get these whenever we find them. I believe we got this one at the bins, so probably paid $0.25 for it. This sold for $5 plus shipping. More finds from that estate sale last weekend. I thought we spent a lot of money. We spent a fair amount of money. I think we spent almost $300 at that estate sale in total. And I think we should have spent more because all this stuff that we bought from that last estate sale, if you go back last weekend, or at the beginning of this week, Monday's estate sale, it was crazy. And there was so much new and packaged vintage stuff. And we're both kicking ourselves. We should have bought more. But it is what it is. Can't win them all. These sold. We also got these at that estate sale. These are vintage pillow covers. Check those out. Super vintage, probably 60s, 70s. These were one of the few items that didn't actually have the price tag on it. It does have the 100% cotton. Let's see if I can get that. Made in Japan tag on it, but that's it. The pair of these sold for $17 plus shipping. And then there's another one here. This is another vintage pillowcase here. This was, 98 cents brand new. Check that out. This is probably from the 70s, would be my guess. Still new in the package, still has the price tag on it. From Murphy's. Still need to know what Murphy's is. Last video I asked if anybody knows what Murphy's is, comment down below. I'm going to ask on this video. If anybody knows what Murphy's is, comment down below. But this one sold for $18 plus shipping. We got a few more items, but I do want to take some time to do this. I get a lot of questions on the comments on a lot of these videos, and I answer them, just in person to that other person, but I'm starting to realize that maybe a lot of other people might want to know the answer to the question, so I'm actually going to answer a question from a viewer right now. So this question is from Tammy, and Tammy asks, do you sell those books on Amazon or eBay? If you sell them on Amazon, do you sell them as new? And she's referring to the retail arbitrage we do at Ollie's Bargain Outlet. That was actually the comment was on that video. So she's referring to all these new books that we buy at Ollie's. And I did answer, but I'll answer it publicly here. We tried to do Amazon reselling and then Amazon FBA. We actually paid for the FBA for 1 month. And we scanned a bunch of stuff, and I went out to Walmart and hit clearance racks and all kinds of stuff trying to find stuff to sell on Amazon. And I'll be honest with you, from my experience, now I know other people out there make tons of money on Amazon, and that's great. But everything that I was scanning just wasn't coming up with, there either wasn't enough meat on the bone, so not enough profit, or I was blocked. A lot of the toys, like Fisher-Price toys and Legos and things of that nature, you have to have special permission to sell them on Amazon. So it just wasn't, something that we wanted to continue to pursue. Now, I know there are people out there that scan and scan and scan and scan and scan, and they actually make a scanner for Amazon where you can just literally scan and your phone will make a certain noise if it's something that you should buy. And we don't, between eBay and estate sales and, YouTube and everything like that, we just don't have the time to do stuff like that. So we never really got into Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon or Amazon FBA. We do still have an account open to sell through Amazon, kind of like what we do here on eBay, where we sell things and then ship it out from the house, but we really haven't pursued it much. eBay takes up a very good amount of our time, and then you throw YouTube on top of it. It's pretty much all our time. And, I have another job, and so does Sarah. So it's very difficult for us to take that much time. Now, is it something that I'm open to exploring? Yeah, absolutely. If somebody could give me some tips and tricks on how to best sell on Amazon, then I would absolutely pursue it again. But for the time being, we are just eBay sellers, and quite frankly, we're pretty happy with it. So thanks, Tammy, for the question. For those of you that have always wanted to know something, or maybe you haven't asked, or you meant to ask and you never did, feel free to comment down below this video or any of my videos with any sort of questions. I will gladly answer them. And then if it's something that I'm going to actually, answer on air, I will ask you for your permission, of course, to use the screenshot of the question, and your permission, obviously, to use the question itself. So feel free, comment, ask me anything. Where did I get this awesome I Want My MTV t-shirt? Just have to ask and find out. All right, back to what's sold. Last thing for today is going to be this. I tell you guys this all the time. She sells, but not for a lot of money. This is Barbra Streisand's Greatest Hits. And great musician. You can't say anything about her musical career. It was a great musical career and still is. She's still out there turning out music. But her records don't sell for that much. $3 plus shipping for Barbra. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. We had a light 2 days, and that does happen in this business. So for those of you who think that it doesn't happen to us, it certainly does happen to us. And, we're not wondering what's going on. It's been a little slow these last couple days. So it happens. It happens to everybody. Don't get discouraged. It will happen to you too someday. Or maybe it already has and it's happening to you right now and you're thinking, God, is anybody else going through this? Yes, we are. The last 2 days only though. The beginning of the week was really good, but the last 2 days were slowed down quite a bit. So, all right guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. For those of you that haven't yet, and I don't know why you haven't, if you're watching this video, why haven't you? Subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps out the channel. It really helps out the channel to grow, to keep getting more content. And other than that, comment, like, share. We really appreciate all of it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!